Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Aegis Armors. Today we have this awesome BMW here, M Series. As you can see, this car is super glossy. Is it too glossy? I don't think so. I don't think that's a thing. Too glossy isn't a thing. You let us know down in the comments. Is too glossy a thing? No, can't be. But yeah, to let you know what all we did on this car this week, we started off with a full wash and decontamination process. So we did the wash and then did a clay bar on it to get all the embedded contaminants out of there. Just so when we start polishing the vehicle, we don't take any of those contaminants, swirl it around the paint and make the job even harder and worse. So after we did all the decontamination, we went with a single stage paint correction. This car wasn't too scratched up to begin with, so we didn't need to go heavy with it. Just a nice polish to get some light scratches and marring out. And then once we did our full paint correction on this, we did our Aegis Armors 5-year ceramic coating. And as you can see, gloss level was crazy. And then it's gonna make this car super easy to wash for the customer for the years to come. Keep it looking better than any other car out there. So when he goes to sell it, this car is gonna be ready to sell, easy. Somebody's definitely gonna want this brand new looking vehicle. So yeah, other than the coating on the paint, we did our Aegis Armors Glass Coating on all the glass, mirrors, sunroof up here, headlights and taillights. So that's gonna add that gloss level too, as well as make it super easy to drive during the rain. All that rain's just gonna fly off the car and he's just gonna be able to see through the windshield and not even worry about windshield wipers. And then last but not least, we did our Aegis Armors heavy duty wheel coating. It's a heat resistant coating for the wheels and calipers if the customer opts in. But we just did the wheel faces on this one and you can see that adds so much gloss and it makes the wheels look super good. It's gonna make it super easy to clean. When he goes to wash the vehicle, he's just gonna spray some soap on there, rinse the wheels off, and all that brake dust and gunk is just gonna fly right off and he's ready to go. And then we finished it off with our Aegis Armors Black Widow tire gel. Can be applied in a gloss or satin finish. Went for the gloss here. But yeah, walk around the car a little bit more. That's pretty much all I have to say for it. I think the rest of the car speaks for itself. You can just look around and then check it out. Thanks for tuning in, guys.
as we talked about on all the videos, basically the maintenance on this vehicle is every couple weeks you'll rinse the vehicle off. You'll take a foam cannon, you'll use our Foam Fury soap or Spectrum, or a combination of the two. Apply the soap to the vehicle, let it sit for about a minute, rinse it off. About once every 3 months, you'll take our Renew product, which is a ceramic booster. After you do a hand wash in the vehicle and dry it, you'll take a damp microfiber cloth, apply the Renew to the entire surface, take a dry microfiber and wipe it right off. That's all you'll need to do in the vehicle, even with a graphene coating on it. We also used our Black Widow tire shine. It's a no sling tire gel. It can be put on in a satin finish or a high gloss. And as always, we give an instruction guide when we do a ceramic coating on a vehicle. On the very back page, it has a quick do and don't for going through a car wash as well as doing a home wash. So if it's something you're interested in doing in your car, give us a call, 336-570-9790, and we can get you right in. A job like this typically takes 3 to 4 days. Have a great day.